Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you another techniques. The break knife is a double cross hunting knife. The break knife transform ito hunting knife. Subscribers and viewers, please be careful to use and handle this. The break knife or hunting knife. Magdahan-dahan po sa pagkain nito. Please use this in a good reason. I remember this technique when I was 14 years old. My grandpa was teaching me this. I'm really happy to share this technique into the next generation of strategy. From my grandpa. And please be careful to use and handle this. A break knife, simple break knife, transform into track hand, double cross hunting knife. Magdandahan po sa pagkain nito. Please be careful to use and handle this. That's a sample. Kung hindi mo kayo sineryoso, sa'yo babalik ang hunting knife. Please be careful to use and handle this. This is not a joke techniques. Not simple. It's a double blade. Kung nagkamali ka guys, sa'yo pupunta. Magtandahan po sa mga gumagaya. Pakiusap, gamitin po sa tamang paraan. Example, kapag hindi mo sineryoso, sa'yo babalik at that knife come back to you. Sample strategy. Please be careful to do that. Simple break knife. Ito base. Magtandaan po sa pagkain nito. Simple technique. The break knife. The double cross hunting knife. So viewers, subscribers, foreigner subscribers, viewers, thank you so much for support. I'm really happy to share this technique from grandpa strategy. Please be careful to do this. The break knife. The double cross hunting knife. Gandaan po sa pagkain nito. To all viewers, subscribers, please be careful to do that. To do this technique and use this into a good reasons strategy. To all forces, to all soldiers, police, NBI, to all the members. Policia Combat Kali, to all brotherhoods, this technique, to all of you. Please be careful to do that. This technique the double cross, antique knife, random break knife. Magdandan po sa pagkain nito. Not a simple technique. And I'm really happy again to share this technique. The next generations of strategy. Welcome to my blog.